Hi, welcome to Kings, and today we're going to be doing our Espresso Martini, and our lovely Rody is going to be taking you through that process today. And he's going to start with our vodka, Kahlua, our sugar syrup and espresso, and he's going to start making it. So he's got ice in the Boston shaker, and in the glass he puts a measure of vodka, a measure 25 ml of Kahlua, and he's got a half measure of sugar syrup, the espresso martini, and we pour that into the shaker, which is on ice, and then you give it a really good shake. You know when the shaker is done because you have holes around the edge of the shaker. You get a good nice crema, and you serve that in your chilled martini glass. Okay? Perfection. And then you finish it off with 3 coffee beans. Wonderfully mixed, perfectly measured, a beautiful crema. And then you finish it with 3 coffee beans and a straw. There you have the perfect espresso martini.